Hey guys, Jimmy D from Jimmy D's Guitar Lessons and Rock Talk. Do you have a Spark amp? And you know you're reading somewhere about, hey, I don't want to plug it in, I need a battery pack. Well, today we're going to talk about a battery pack and hooking it up to your Spark amp. Stick around. Welcome back. So you got a Spark amp and you're reading somewhere about that you could power this up and not plug it in. You could use a battery backup pack. So I went on the internet at Amazon and I picked up a battery here, and I'll leave the description in the bottom in the comments, or I'll put some links up. But this is the battery that people get. It's the NB7102 battery. So here's the back of the battery. Note the model, NB7102. That's what you'll need. And the key thing here is it's 19.5 volts, 3 amps. Where your Spark amp, the DC in, is 19 volts at 2.5 amps. So this will work good. It's a nice battery. This one's black. But this is what you're going to use to power your Spark amp with. So let's check it out. I bought this from Amazon. I could try to leave a link below or something like that, but if not, just Google it, do a search in Amazon, it will be there. What it comes with, in this box. You got a bunch of different connectors here. You do have the charger to charge up this battery pack. I charged it up a while ago. Let's see if it has any life to it. It sure does. So what you do is, I'm just gonna move this stuff out of the way. You go the back side of your amp. See that? Don't need this anymore. This plugs into your output. Okay. And this plugs in the back here like that. And now you flick the switch on and you're ready to rock. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to take it a little step further. I'm going to show you how to attach to the back, and then we're going to show how to go completely wireless. And using a Getaria wireless system, we will play guitar wirelessly. You could run around. Yeah, it's cool. This lasts a long time. I haven't really used it 100% to see what the battery is or how long it lasts. If you use one of these, please let me know in the comments below on how long it lasts. But I hear it lasts hours and hours, so it's good. So now what we're going to go to, we're going to talk about Velcro. All right, let's talk about Velcro. I heard some people were putting Velcro on and they had a hard time with it coming off and whatnot. There's different types of Velcro. This one here, you can see me, it's challenged to open it up. Okay. So this Velcro, you don't want. It's just too strong. If you put it on here and you took the battery pack off, it'd probably rip the vinyl on it. So what you want to do is get yourself a nice easy piece of Velcro, and yeah, we'll adhere the this side here, the coarse side will go onto here. This fuzzy side will actually go on the battery. So stick around and we'll do that next. So here, this is the Velcro that I was talking about earlier. You see that? It's pretty aggressive there. This would stick too much on here, and yeah, you'd have problems with it. This Velcro here is the one that I used. And you can see, I'm trying to do this one hand. It's not as crazy as the other one. So use a nice Velcro that is easy to take off and on, so you're not ripping off. This is nuts. I can't even. Yeah, this is too crazy. I did a quick little measurement, put some there, Remember what I said? You know, you got this fuzzy side here and the more, I guess, rigid side. The rigid side you want on here. Just way this could come off with ease. So have them together. I'm going to take the plastic adhesive off, put it on here just like so. Okay. Then I'm going to peel this other end off. If I can get it off. Come on. There it goes. Okay. Then all I'm going to do is, I'm just going to stick it here for now. What's good about this, you could take it off and put it away in your bag. Just for purposes of the video, I'm putting it on here. If you want, you could tie this up. You do whatever you want. But now it's there. Okay. Now what we're going to talk about is, now you're portable. We've got the power. It's on. But we don't have a guitar in yet. So what we're going to try is, I've got this wireless system from Getaria. So here is the Getaria system. So you've got your audio transmitter and your audio receiver. It's at a 5.8 gigahertz. It comes with 4 different channels. And you just plug one in your guitar and one in your amp. It's pretty cool. They go a pretty good distance. I haven't really walked outside to take a look, but you know, get you what you need to do. But yeah, the Getaria, check it out. I'll leave a link, and let me know what you think. I will post a link probably up here on these. They're actually pretty cool. They're inexpensive, and I like them. So what we do is we got a transmitter and a receiver. Okay, so what's going to happen is we're going to plug one into the guitar. It's going to transmit. It's going to go to the receiver. So plug this in here. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. Pretty simple. Then I'm going to grab a guitar and plug the other end into the bottom here and turn this on with the on switch. Now we're going to turn on the power and we should have sound. Whoa! Hear that? Oh, I'm out of tune. I should come more prepared. But anyways, you get it. You could have your wireless system, you could have your Spark wireless, and you could play wherever you wish. Take it to the beach, just don't get sanded. Anyways, if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. I do have some more videos. Yeah, that's it. Pretty simple. I like this. I'm going to try this out, see how long I can play it for. And that's it. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. Rock on.